First gear is long, so we'll see if I get the 1-2. This little vortex get up and go, don't it, Cliff? Get tired of my shit. You're like, yo, why'd you bring me on this trip? Yo, did you have some edibles before you came over here? Are you good? Yeah, you just don't like the wind in your face. You ready, Cliff? Cliff. Someone in a white OBS pickup said they want to race, but they were just bullshitting. But I'm gonna see how this thing shifts now. I actually got on it pretty good. See if I can get some clear road and give me a good shift. Boy, you cheesing right now. You hot. Alright, let these cars in front of me get out of the way. I'm gonna give it some beans right now. Nope. Bro, how did he not take the freaking turn? Alright, now we're gonna do a little bit of a heavier acceleration.